Private markets are going public, at least when it comes to a new marketing push from the industry. Leslie Picker here with more on what's driving this trend. Leslie.
Hey, Sarah. Yeah, brand awareness is a relatively new concept for the 50-year-old world of alternative assets. Historically, the industry opted for a much lower profile, but that's changing, and it's changing quickly with the industry delving into more retail-oriented channels. For today's first edition of CNBC's new franchise, Inside Alts, we took a closer look at how Blue Owl is getting its name out there at the U.S. Open. You may have seen this terse exchange between players Taylor Townsend and Jelena Ostapenko last week. It went viral after Ostapenko from Latvia pointed a finger and shouted insults at Townsend, an American who had won the second round match. As the camera panned in for viewers to get a closer look at the confrontation, careful observers could see a Blue Owl patch emblazoned on Townsend's tennis dress. Now, she's one of 100 athletes competing in professional tennis tournaments around the world who are backed by Blue Owl. And this is part of the firm's strategy to raise visibility and drive curiosity, Blue Owl's chief marketing officer told me. To be sure, alternatives firms have to walk a fine line to get their names out there without commoditizing the product. The rub in the boardroom these days across the industry is to keep this allure of a velvet rope while also capturing a growing share of retail investors. It's not easy to do. To sign up for Inside Alts, click on the QR code that will be on your screen. There it is, momentarily, guys.
Well, we'll do that. I mean, it's exciting, and I think it's definitely there's plenty of news to digest. I wonder if that works for Blue Owl to put their name and to sponsor a tennis player.
Yeah, it's interesting because they put their names and sponsor 100 tennis players, and they're usually the ones who are competing against the challenger. So you do so at about $20,000 a patch, 100 players, it's about $2 million. But when you get those kind of viral moments, or you get a lot of viewers watching those, high impact matches, that has a bit more impact, at least from their strategic standpoint. That's what their view is, than maybe a 30-second spot that could cost maybe 10 times that amount. So that's kind of the thinking there, is they do more of the underdog strategy. They say that's akin to what the firm's ethos is too, growing up as an underdog in the world of private credit.
Yeah, frequent guest on Money Movers for sure. We'll see how much of that broader audience outreach works, and we'll ask
we got to
asking
talk
about
tennis
it.
next time.
Yes. Leslie, thanks.
Yeah.